tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. It is a continuation vlog of yesterday's. Who have not seen yesterday's vlog, nor IKEA vlogs, Hyderabad vlogs, Shagos vlog, and even Chamina vlog, please go ahead and watch it, guys. I'm gonna leave the link below. We just came from the Charminar shopping, and we need to relax for some time. And why we are here? Just to experience the AMB cinemas, because everybody knows in Hyderabad AMB cinemas is belongs to Mahesh Babu. So we are a big fan of Mahesh Babu. So definitely we need to experience the AMB cinemas also.
Got you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Love and hate, we learned the lines. I'm giving up this fight.
This is the entrance of AMB cinemas. Wow, it's really beautiful, guys. I'm so excited visiting this place. And theaters might not be new. We might have visited many, but because it's belongs to Mahesh Babu, I'm so excited. Last time also we tried, but we couldn't. We didn't had even time for it. Now we just came for the last show. Yes, guys, it's a very last show in this AMB cinemas, and though we booked it, and I'm gonna experience watching movies in AMB cinemas. So, come on, guys, let's go.
Swimming against the tide.
It's an amazing feeling, guys, watching movie in AMB cinemas. Just it is an experience, but it's really beautiful. And now we have a plan of going for early morning breakfast, or you can say it's a midnight also, because it's 2 o'clock. It's a Nayab hotel in Hyderabad where it is open for 24 hours. So I really felt something interesting. So come on, let's go inside. This is the entrance of Nayab hotel after 12 a.m. Morning time the entrance will be different because it's in the roadside only, very famous hotel, and only after 12 a.m the entrance will be like this. And this is the kitchen of Nayab hotel. You can see they are preparing, and also I'm going to show you the time now. We are just getting inside, and for family there is a separate room, and it's 2 o'clock, guys. Did you see? Nobody is there, but slowly they'll start coming, because everybody knows who are staying in Hyderabad. This hotel is open for 24 bar 7. This is really a beautiful frame of Charminar. I really love it. Here, the experiencing food, it's not new, but experiencing having so early, it means it's 2 a.m. now. It's quite different. It's quite different experience, I can say. And this is the brain and paya soup we ordered, and biryani also we ordered. It's very tasty food at this time, and it's very hot also. I really love to have or consume food very hot. These vlogs are really all-time favorite for me, because climbing Charminar for the first time and having food in the midnight, roaming in Hyderabad roads in the midnight, it's all a different type of experience I really won't forget in my lifetime, because it's that wonderful experience. And now we're going back to home, guys. So on the way, what all we done, I'm gonna share with you. So keep watching.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. We just had a nap in the car itself, and in the morning, this is how we just stop here for spinach, which is our favorite spinach. So I really made the recipe with that spinach also. Who have not seen, please go ahead and watch it. And can you see the cute goats over here? The spinach is very famous and very tasty, which is available only in the particular seasons, which is called gurgaku. And of course, if we prepare the curry with the spinach, it will be very tasty and very healthy also. Can you see the tur dal plants, guys? Few village people we saw and we asked for this spinach. They told it's here, so we came here to plucking very fresh spinach with our own hands. Wow, I'm so happy to do this. This is my favorite spinach, so wherever I see, definitely I'm gonna ask them for plucking like this, because I really love to pluck them also. And you can see so many plants, and but only we need to pluck the tender one. And yes, once we done with it, we came to the shop, which is a snack shop which is very famous in Anantapur. And here they're making very fresh polies, guys, which is, you can say, it's a sweet. And I'm going to show you how they are making it. There are different flavors are also available here, which is a kova one, and dal with nuts also. They made poli, but we like the kova one. It is very tasty, guys. We just tasted one poli over there, and then we decided to purchase it. It's really amazing. We also purchased a few other snacks because we are feeling hungry. It's a morning breakfast time, and we are in a search for lunch also. We are feeling to have the non-veg, and this is how they are making polies. Now let's taste the kova. We took all three flavors also, but we tasted all three. We like only the kova one, so we ordered for kova. So here we are for a very tasty lunch, which is a country chicken curry with the ragi ball and with the tasty chutney. This is the Suri Hotel in Anantapuram district, guys, which is very tasty, and we'll feel the homemade taste. And the chutney, I really like it more than the non-veg, but all the recipes are really very tasty, guys. Now let's not wait. Let me have my lunch. Morning breakfast couldn't have because could not find the best hotel, in the sense local hotel we were in a search for. So this is the best local hotel, I can say. And now I'm gonna taste this brain fry. Wow, what a life. It's my favorite dish, guys. Wherever I go, means into the non-veg hotel, I'll definitely order for the brain fry. It'll be that tasty. I know it is a bit unhealthy, but once in a while it's okay. And this is liver fry. All dries I really love to taste, and this is what the brain fry. This is the menu of this hotel. Maybe differs, depends on the weekends or weekdays, but today this is what the menu is. Hotel looks like this. The taste of food, it's extraordinary. I really love it. So that's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.